Oh, this is a get ready with me, by the way. Did I even say that? I'm gonna put this in the beginning. Hey y'all, I'm back. Lately I've just been out of it, like, but that's not what we're here for today. I'm gonna try to like look like a baddie, low-key. I'm gonna try to look like a baddie because it's about time for me to feel good about myself and about time for me to, like, you know, glow up. I need to get my makeup skills on point. I'm sorry, like, I'm tired of looking like this. Oh, get into the nails. My best friend started doing nails, y'all. Book her right now. Well, she's not available for booking, but book right now for the future, because look at this. Amazing. We have a big announcement. Big announcement. By we, I mean me and my personalities. Call me an influencer. Call me an influencer. This is my first collab video, and I just want to thank Appearanz Lashes for allowing me to do this. Like, what? But that's not where it stops. I also got a discount code. So if you use Melanie10, you get 10% off. I will be linking down their website in the bio and putting my discount code, and you guys go crazy. Like, look at this. They have blue lashes, green lashes, purple lashes, brown lashes. They have a whole bunch of different lashes. They have magnetic lashes, anything you could think of. Like, they have lashes with like butterflies on them. Next level. Here's a box that they sent me. Appearanz Lashes. Let's open the box. Okay, ready? So this is what it feels like to be famous. It's just a sneak peek. They sent me 2 pairs of brown eyelashes. 2 pairs. This one I already used. Spoiler alert. Check out my TikTok if you want to see how I use these. They're brown. I've never used brown lashes before, but I'm in love with these. Literally. And the box is so cute. And they're really good quality, y'all. Like the hair. 10 out of 10. Next, we have these 2. These I haven't used yet at all. These are Stunner. Style Stunner. I don't know which ones we're going to use today. Maybe these. We'll get into them. And then lastly, we have 1 pair of sparkler. You know? Ooh. I'm so excited to use these, y'all. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this makeup from last night. We're back. Why do I keep saying we? I've been practicing for couples channels. That never happened. So this is what we're with right now. Bareface Melly, please be nice. Be nice. And here's a tea. I tried to give myself an eyebrow slit. It's growing back already. But I don't know if I want to do it again. It didn't come out nice the first time. It didn't. But you know, if you want to be a baddie, you gotta have something different. Y'all, I cleared my skin up. Congrats to me, because my last video, my skin was horrible, to say the least. Alright, so this is a before. Now let's start with the skin prep. I already cleaned my face with don't make fun of me. This little bit of cleansing water. I don't even know how to say this word. And then we're gonna add a few drops of the 3-phase anti-blemish booster from 111 Skin. But yeah, if you want clear skin, stay single. Alright. So now you just mix it. I just mix it. And then I just put it. And it smells so good. Put it on your neck too. It smells so good. Literally, like, it smells like pineapples. Because I think it is pineapple. It's an Asian face cream, y'all. What the hell? After we did that, we are going to let it dry. Because it's kind of wet. Let's get into this new foundation I'm using from Studio Makeup. It's Flawless Skin Foundation, but it's like a tint. It's like a foundation tint because I don't need full coverage, honestly. My light almost fell. What I like to do is put it like just directly on my skin. Like, I don't know why they did it like this. A lot of questions because like I can't even reach to the bottom. I'm confused. Get ready with me with Melly, the female that looks basic all the time. Then we're gonna find out if this is enough. We just like, I just put it in with the brush. Is this even my shade? So now that we look white, oh my god, we grab our beauty blender and just tap it back in to kind of like even it out, I guess. Let's put it into the hairline. All right, we're gonna use Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild. Got this from Walgreens. Oh, the way I put my concealer, I put a little dot in here. Well, it's not little. I put a dot. All right, and then we make a line back here. I saw this on TikTok, honestly. All right, so after we put concealer there, what I like to do, some concealer here, because sometimes this area be like red, and some on the pimple, and we're gonna even it out on the other side. Okay, and then I put some here. Honestly, I already look white. That foundation is not my color, y'all. After that, we use this contouring stick. It's from Palladio. I don't know. Got this from the beauty supply. All right, and now we're gonna even out my forehead. Cause I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay. Like, I'm really trying to be a baddie. I saw somebody do this on TikTok. It might help. Anybody that knows makeup, let me know if I'm using like the wrong shades of stuff, because I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay, I think that's all. I remember like seeing Kim K doing this, so I'm gonna do it. It's okay, guys, we'll fix it with like powders and stuff, because somehow I always end up looking good. Oh wait, we forgot. Okay, I put some here because I like to pretend that I have lips, so we gotta do something about it. So we're gonna continue blending in. Where else did we put? Okay, I be forgetting. One time I forgot that I didn't blend in my concealer for my eyebrows. And I went to school. I was in high school, and nobody told me up to like 4th period. This one girl from like my leadership class was like, oh, here, you didn't blend it, and she blended it in for me. And I was like, so nobody was gonna tell me. Boom, we did it. Next, we're gonna do our eyebrows. Literally, peep how I didn't blend it in. The neck contour never got blended in. All right, y'all, now we're gonna get into the eyebrows, so then we could do like the powder stuff. I still use the elf pomade, but rarely. I've started liking natural eyebrows more, but since we want to be a baddie, I'm gonna fill them in. Boom. Okay, so this is what the eyebrows look like. Now we're gonna use concealer. And this is almost done, so I need a new bronzer. Well, not really. All right, so we're gonna go back over the contouring parts, right? Isn't that what you're supposed to do with bronzer? It might not even be what you're supposed to do. I think you're supposed to go like right here, so I look tan. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to do that because now it's too dark, but we're just gonna blend it in because the foundation was too light, so we're gonna blend it in with the foundation. Next, we're gonna use this powder, which I kind of messed up. Like, all the powder is sitting at the top right now. Yeah. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Now with the same bronzer brush, we're gonna get this off, okay? So, and now we're gonna put some more concealer on her nose because I really want to know how to like do nose contour. Maybe my nose is just lopsided, honestly. Boom. My nose looks the same. Can you tell which one I always use? So we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab some and just put it in the crease, honestly. Alright. Alright, so then once we did that, I'm gonna take the darker one, I guess, and just put it right here. I'm gonna just keep adding stuff. That's how all my eyeshadows turn out. Like, I'll start and just try to do something, and then I'm just like, I'm gonna just keep adding stuff till it looks decent. And the funny part is, this is not even eyeshadows. Like, this is highlighters and contours. Now we're gonna use maquillage. Okay. So, yeah, this is the eyeshadow problem. Say something. Okay, boom. Okay, we did the inner corners. Alright. This is my new favorite thing. I always do like white eyeliner. So, I just put it all down my eye so it makes them bigger. And you're gonna see what I mean. Y'all, we're almost done with the eyes. Now we're gonna use lashes. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use these. I don't know which ones to use for these. I wanna use, maybe these. This is giving more like baddie. A mess. Neck contour still unblended. Oh, I'm so excited. The box is really nice too. Oh, website. Once again, we're gonna be using Stunner by Appearanz lashes. Thank you so much for the lashes, by the way. Use code Melanie10 for 10% off your order. Y'all, stop. I need new glue. I thought I got new glue. What the hell? This was not the glue I had. I had a purple glue. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put it in the middle, okay? So we're gonna set it down in the middle. And now we're gonna take the outer corner and stretch it out on the eyeliner, alright? Inner corner, we're gonna like set it down. We're gonna set it down in our lash line. And the band for these lashes, bro, the band for this lashes is just goated. It's like, it's so flat, like you can't see it when you have it on. Y'all, tell me why I just stopped recording and I didn't even notice. But we put both lashes on and I put some blush and highlight. Sorry y'all, I didn't even notice. I was just here doing my makeup for no reason. We're putting eyebrow gel. Now we're gonna do lips. So I use this color. It's from Shein. It's from Sheglam. This color. It goes really well with my natural lip color. So I use it to look natural. They're already moisturized from before because I had put on lip gloss before. But I always get rid of the little indent on my lip. But then we go in with this color that's almost done. It's the color of my lips. We just fill in the middle. Put some lip gloss. This is a finished makeup look. What y'all think? Did I do good? Tell me I did good. Anyways, y'all, thank you for watching my mess. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the moral support. this is what happened. It's okay, y'all. Maybe to look. Maybe that's how I want it to be. Okay? Like, subscribe, follow me, please. Please, y'all. I will be back soon time, honestly. Maybe when I learn how to do better makeup, I'll do more makeup tutorials. But right now, this is the best we could do. Yeah, all the drawers are open because y'all made me open all my drawers for this makeup look. Anyways, y'all. Thank you for coming. Like, subscribe. Peace out.